Hi everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to talk about the free Weekend Gap robot that traded this week and has traded in the previous week too, and we're just going to look at how the trading has gone so far. It is the ideal robot for a beginner to start on to learn the process of trading Forex robots. So we've made this Weekend Gap Trader available for free download to anybody who is interested in downloading it. It is an actively traded robot, and as you can see, you can download the Weekend Trader here. We have a video on the functionality of the robot. We show you how to install the robot, and we've got a whole lot of videos that you can have a look at, and there's a discussion forum. So we really give you the full package. We don't leave you on your own. And this robot can be traded as you wish. It has no license restrictions or anything like that. Now, if you want to participate in our trading activities and upgrade your enjoyment of this particular EA, I have a Come Trade With Me Weekend Gap service, which includes a whole lot of add-ons that will help you get the best out of this Weekend Gap Trader. And as you can see, it's at the bottom here. It's a password controlled part of the forum, and this is a paid service. So the charges are $25 initially, and then $15 a month after that, and I'll show you what you get for that subscription. Essentially, you get access to the weekly trading process and the settings and any changes that we make in that particular process, because it's an ongoing situation where we're evaluating the current market and making changes to the settings. You get free access to the Udemy course that has been created to actually teach you how to trade weekend gaps. And the weekend gap is basically the difference between the Friday close price and the Monday opening price. Sometimes there's a gap between the two, and statistically that gap gets closed on the Monday morning. You also get full technical support and trading support. So technical support, if you have a problem with your EA, you just contact our technical department and they will help you with any technical problems that you might have. You also get automatic upgrades, and we have an upgrade already planned for this particular EA, and you effectively have the full benefits of a paid owner of this robot. So we've got a whole lot of paid owners and we've got a whole lot of free owners, and the subscription gives you optimized settings for the Weekend Gap Trader, only available on the EA Factory website. If you don't have the subscription, you're free to use the EA any way you want and to experiment with it and trade it as you like. And here's more details about the Udemy course. You can see over 700 students have already done it. Very highly rated course, 4.7, and you can go to this link to read more about that particular course, and that is included in your subscription. Now, this week has been a very strange week. The Weekend Gap normally opens and closes within hours of the market starting, and this week it took 2 days for all the trades to clear. So it was a very unusual Weekend Gap trading session, and you can see here are some of the results from traders that traded the Weekend Gap, and you can see over here we've got somebody who's already done a 3.8% return, trading a number of currencies. You see, we don't know which currency is going to gap, so we trade 28 currencies at the same time, and sometimes only 6 or 5 of those actually activate. And you can see the success rate was about 67% in this particular case. Then you have another trader that's traded in a similar way. No return, break even at the moment. You can see there's a whole lot of currencies that's been traded, and a win rate of 70%. But why there's no profitability is that some of the losses were quite big compared to the gains. Then we have another trader that has done pretty well, a 1.5% return, a win rate of 85.7%, And you know what's pretty interesting is that they've all have traded different currencies, different kind of currency, and that's quite amazing because we're all trying to trade the same settings. I actually show the settings that I'm going to be using, and most people then follow those settings, but strangely enough we're coming out with different results all the time. And you can see the different currencies that are being traded. So if you haven't downloaded the Weekend Gap EA, please go and download it. It's free in our forum. There it is, and you get a very comprehensive user manual that goes with it. You get detailed instructions on how to load it into your MT4 platform, and then there's a chance to join the paid support in that particular line. Click on that and you can join the paid support. So it's really a supported free EA. It's not just a one that's being available on a random basis. And many traders are participating in the Weekend Gap trading. It's an ideal EA to get to know how Forex robots work. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from this video, that you can actually start trading Forex robots on a risk-free basis, because we actually use paper money in the beginning, and then as you gain confidence you can move into a live account. So this can be done as a learning experience, and then you can move into live trading. It's an ideal opportunity. It's a free EA. Please download it if you haven't done so already. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.